It's July 15th, 2020. So I got a call from a guy. He said he's got a 2-inch cast iron pipe that's got a hub on it. And the pipe's rotted or leaking or whatever. And he said he would try to fix it, but he don't know what to do with the hub and the lead and oakum and all that stuff. So we're going to go by there and see. I have worked for this guy before. It's kind of like the husband and wife are kind of like a little on a deaf side, so, but they're nice people, and I have worked for them before. Son-in-law, the daughter is supposed to meet me over there, and supposedly he opened up the wall of the ceiling where the pipe is, so I told him I'd go by there and take a look at it and see if I can fix it for him. You know, I can do the lead and oakum with a joint runner, and depends on where it is and what kind of. A lot of times you can cut the other hub off and just put a clamp on it. I'll have to see when I get there what I'm going to do. He didn't say it was into the stack, so let's not rush to judgment until we get there and take a peek at it. See which is the best way to go about fixing it, the easiest way. I'm all about easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, mama. Oh yeah, next level, y'all. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Keep it simple, stupid. You hear that saying? Keep it simple.
On Rockdale Avenue.
This little brass is all rotted. I'll probably make a cut right here. Put a clamp on it. You're not using the water upstairs, obviously, right?
No, we haven't used it since the day before yesterday. The toilet we've used, that's fine.
Yeah, that's kind of a... This could turn into a real shit show, so I want to try to just make a cut here and put a clamp and double clamp it, Jed clamp it. We'll do a repair and then we'll run the water and see what it does. How's that sound?
Okay.
Alright, well, I use the 5-inch blades for this job right here. I'll be able to cut through the 2-inch. Without that, they wouldn't be able to cut it. That's what we're going to use. That and a couple of clamps and a piece of pipe. Alright, so we're going to cut this out of the way. Not easy. Some more, I could. I don't think I can. Maybe. I don't know. Shit. Yeah, she's pretty rotted. We're gonna make sure we're cut through all the way here. It's oak. There it is. It's a hairy one. Don't look too bad. I might have got lucky here. I gotta leave enough for the gaskets. 14 3/4. rubber's like that, easy to get in. And when you put it in, you'll be able to roll it over. That's what we want. One there. And one there. Yeehaw. Now, did your husband try to run a snake down here or something? Is that why it rotted?
No, he hasn't done anything.
It just started leaking. You just noticed water. Well, that's good that he was able to at least locate the issue, right?
Yeah. Yeah, because we had no idea. We kept running the sinks and the showers. Either that or shut all the water off completely and had no water for 2 days.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Once he saw where it was coming from, he just left it. He told my dad.
All right, why don't you go up there and give it the old, how you doing, run the water, and let's see if it leaks.
Kitchen sink, does it matter?
I believe this is the kitchen sink, yeah, right above us. Hopefully that takes care of it. I hope. See the old pipe all rotted? The old pipe there. Oh, see it there in the sink? It's all rotted. See it? Yeah. See, it's all rotted, yeah.
Oh.
Old, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's hope this works. Because this is... I need to change...
Hey.
Need to change this. It's gonna be a flipping project.
Hey.
What? Yeah, leave that there for your husband.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it going down? The drain going down?
I believe so.
Yeah.
Hold on. I believe so. I just told my daughter that I would yell up there if you needed to shut off. Do you hear the water coming through? I've got it still running.
Yeah, I don't see it leaking, so that's good. The old brass pipe. Maybe we got brass pipe in here. Yeah, that's good. That's successful repair. That's good. That's what we want. It's good enough for this neighborhood. Alright.
I bet it's still running.
Yeah, that's good. No leaks, so.
No leaks, okay.
Yeah. Got off lucky this time. That's what happens. You get these old houses, you know.
Yeah.
I'll leave that for your father to see. She's definitely.
Oh yeah, you know him. He likes to check things out and see what the
Definitely
problem
right.
is. And, well, like I said, he's building a barn at my brother's, so he's busy all summer.
Alright guys, I just left that job. That's why I use the grinder that I have with those blades and no guide on it. That's exactly, you can't cut that with a Sawzall, the pipe would have fell apart. So you guys, a lot of you guys will say, well, how come you got no guide on that grinder? That's why. That job right there is exactly why that. I use the bigger blades, special blades that I know I trust them. They're not going to break apart on me. And I need the bigger blade for the depth to get to the pipe. And you can't use a Sawzall. Like I said, that pipe would have crushed all apart, and I would have had to change that 45 and got into that stack area with a lead pipe in there, and I mean, that could have really been a shit show. So, it was like 150 bucks, so cheap. Get it fixed, and they got a drop ceiling in that kitchen. If there's any more issues in the future, we'll get into it and do it deeper for the guy, but that should last him a while. Kick the can down the road, mama. Kick the can down the road.